share video way from the start to the end. Video way a requested video be brave. And then maybe show how about to any profile account. But the amber use no price in less than 250 Ghana cedis. Bit my top prop firm account. Trade it, make profit, and then you take your percentage. One more name profit account and your account ubeto say the bear who trade ya profit abenya na company no share. Who trade no be for 80% or more be for 20%. It been a me trade one where $10,000 account and the profit in the me entire trade way and match me saw when I stop loss and I'm analyze the market and I'm che buy na me take no and I'm making a profit of 193 also. Guys, it's me pass every 5 days, I'm taking me payout into my bank account and I'm mobile money. It's my sure how I bet me the bet my top profit account with either mobile money and as a bank. Okay, it's from starting, maybe you use account with good funded. If any good funded, if my account in any good funded, and then made the link in the better description on them. You better say subscribe to the channel no. And pen and better on your mommy. A link in the better comment section on them. So the better I'll be to me a fan of subscribe. Profit line no profit of 438. The profit in the one $438 account with near 5k account and account has been passed. If I say I won't say account passed. What I say. So pass your account now, then you'll be taking your payout. And the UBA link now also sign it up. Be sign it up using your email address within and a YD password only my name. Be sign it up. Me person make us processing because how into sign it up do be menu home no. Over home now I new challenge. We me a new challenge we so. It's say medical sign it up the dantino me dini me details be down. And then know about area way. Now you see me use am app no. Obit my I use a browser and I say app no. Then know about edit. Now account no 5k into person want to more than 5k. Obeko edit. Edit ni be able. I'm so many accounts on. I'm one step account. I'm two step standard. I'm two step good. I'm instant account. Yet any instant goods in here. Say you ya no what trade the amount life account no. You trade ya profit in the bar enough you match a profit no. But me normally me pay instant accounting because some rules big can ho am chiro profits ni nyina would pay out and some make sure sa rules no until the be say you be call you da so pay one step and one step ni say unya pass pay normal verify na call life account and a two step ni say you pass the first one or be pass the second one and sana wa call life account one step no most of the time no neighbor ni dey two step no fala till the open no what you show into that 250 Ghana cedi na can 17 two step do about two step good about two step good and I was in $17 and I was in waiting at top profit with $17 and then trade you have my account of $5,000 now that I trade no and 2% on trade here now over screw I go down the best me details me didn't name my name and bantino make at on if you and to be screw I go down I had no person on one account and now two and now three or double number open two they will reduce the price number open four and now five or reduce the price number until you know open one and then you select the one account the one me a place order but I'll be screw I go down when details now from one will be screw I go down see no I feel forms no my feeling me person me details about anything I'm a hide one now one thing is all fill forms in the area or maybe I'll say quite person or person fan to and now fan to account no yeah your credit card or and your cryptocurrency do pay cryptocurrency or best select cryptocurrency open mobile money so a Kura pay or best select area way no me mobile money or select mobile money now no me place order no I see. Okay until we are many way be pay a poppy up Now you say enter with mobile money. High paper, high cryptocurrency, you best offer crypto into a say we escrow, we netella, and then your Korapi we select Korapi, and then we near amount to be amount say pay with Kora Ghana city to be Korapi a beludi. And have a dashboard no so that is the Korapi dashboard. Aha na obetu ya with mobile money. Nti ho no abo mobile money account na show. Me ka kire mo say account na yeto no less than 250 Ghana cedis. But the who wan say near 700. Nti e be come back na select the right account. Now we are selecting the right account, which is the 17 Ghana cedi, and they show us in. Then we press the pay, then show amount na ebe ba no. Now 17 Ghana cedi, we have price and cry you need 200 cedis, 1.86. Ghana you can see is here 1.86. Until you can buy a Profit account as less as 200 Ghana cedis. And now no about mobile money pin I shall say. No I enter. If you want to if you mobile money wallet name now they will send the details, the logins to your email address. Now about MT5 name. From there, about MT5 name. Now about the link about MT5 no. Your video on how to link your broker to MT5 or channel also. It will be link here, then what place it trade or I see. Way optional one. Option number 2 so basically use funded nest. Funded nest may advance. And maybe use crypto. What you mean use mobile money? I say use crypto or Binance. You know, let's drop it that video in separate. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys in the next video.